fully on board and I'm looking forward to this association.
सबसे पहले थैंक यू आप सब यहाँ पर आए इस लॉन्च के लिए आई रियली अप्रिशिएट सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड congratulations Hina for launching this beautiful and wide range of lipsticks which is inspired by various facets of women and I really appreciate that it's cruelty free product and that's very important to me and thank you so much for this and having me here.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give both the divas a huge round of applause and let's have a look. Post the picture, of course.
Idea वो कर रहा है ना.
Let's have a look at. Okay, sure. इसके बाद भी होगा फोटो सेशन कहीं पर भी नहीं जाएंगे.
अब समीर भाई के ऐसे हो रहा है. LED बंद करो. LED हाँ ये भी चले आए सब. लाइट्स समीर भाई कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the breathtakingly talented actress Fatima Sana Sheikh, and with her, the unstoppable, fierce Hina Anthale. With that, let's have a look at the brand video 2502. Could we have the video, please? Let's ask them all their fashion gupshups. We have one more with Mike. Hina, I must say your journey is truly inspiring. I met Hina a year ago, and I must say the way you have, there were a lot of ups and downs in your career, and suddenly I see you with this brand 2502 and Pataka and Junoon, सब दिख रहा है आपने. Firstly, tell me how was this entire journey for you, the last 1 year?
Honestly, it was crazy. It was, I can't even put it into a sentence, but it was worth it. I don't want that to change ever. I would never wish for it to change. And I really have my team to thank for this because there were a lot of times where I felt like, you know what, no, it's not happening. But they really pushed me and they're really to thank for all of this as well. So.
Thank you so much, Hina. You are indeed an inspiration. And Fatima, I've seen Chachi Char Sabri, and I have seen that movie at least 7 times. I love your character as Bharti, and I was like, wow, look at her, right? Dangal and Thumbs Up, Hindustan. You're doing phenomenal every single year. But I'm sure your journey as a woman also, you had your own ups and downs. How has your journey been? Hina has gone through her stuff. How did you go through in this industry?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल अच्छा है तो आई थिंक एवरीबडी गोस थ्रू दैट और हर इंसान की इमोशनल कैपेसिटी टू डील विद दोस सिचुएशंस इज वेरी
Different, right?
So I've dealt with my ups and downs and that has made me the person that I am today.
And I must say you're a great photographer also. I've been following you on Instagram and I'm like, this girl is so candid with her pictures. So it's time for a rapid fire. So I'm going to give you a few questions and both of you have to answer. So we'll start with Fatima. Okay? Pataka, Masakali, Sherni, Ishqbaz, Nazakat, Badtamizi, Junoon. Which lipstick name describes you the best? Pataka! Isn't she Pataka, ladies and gentlemen? Round of applause. Okay, Hina.
I'd like to say Nazakat, but no, far from that. I think I'd go for Badtamizi or more.
Badtamizi. I knew that you were going to choose that. Okay, great. Your go-to lip color, the color that you love.
Go-to lip color. from these shades.
Yeah, from these shades.
I think I would want to go for either Junoon or Shady. Shady definitely.
Shady?
Shady.
The rust orange, right?
Yeah, for
Okay.
sure.
What about what? Okay, guys, we have two beautiful divas on stage. Can we reduce our volume? Yeah, thank you. Okay, Fatima, what about you?
Lip shade, I think Pataka.
Oh, Pataka. Great.
Best time.
Yes, I'm also wearing it. I love it. I love it. Okay, next, your current fashion obsession, Fatima.
I think liner and lipstick.
Liner, lipstick, you can't live without. Okay, what about you?
My brows and lipstick. I can't live without filling in my brows. I have to. It's necessary.
So brows and lipstick. Okay, great, super. And I want you both. Okay, not this. This is towards the end. Your resolution for 2020. Fatima was like,
कोई
what?
resolution नहीं है.
कोई resolution नहीं लिया. She lives life just as it comes.
No resolution.
Super.
भरोसा नहीं मुझे.
अरे यार, ऐसा तुम तो पटाखा हो यार. Okay, Tina.
A resolution. I think I want to. Really.
Any resolution like for yourself, for 2502? What can we expect next?
Definitely like grow this lineup. That's what I
After
have.
lipsticks, what's coming up?
I can let you know. I'll let you know now.
What would you like after lipsticks?
I'm not gonna tell you that.
Okay, cool.
We are in the same team.
Alright, no problem. And any message that you would like to give Tina?
No message. She's doing so well. She's just amazing. I think she's so young and she has launched these beautiful products and all by herself. It's quite outstanding.
Absolutely. She is incredible. Okay, the last one. I want both of you to give me your best pouts. Your best pouts. Okay, let's do this together. Yeah? Okay. Cameras, are you ready? The best pouts. Okay? So I'm going to say, oh wow, they've already started. Okay, go for it, girls. If you like their pouts, तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हमारे divas के लिए. Hey, I also want to do a pout. I'm not very good at pouting. Please show me. Thank you so much. You girls were amazing. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. And for all the lovely divas out there, इतने सारे lipstick shades हैं. बिल्कुल miss मत कीजिए. I love Pataka. I love Sherni also. You want to try Sherni? What do you love? What have you tried so far?
I tried Batamiz.
Ishabaz and Batamiz Dil. And what did Batamizi. So what did you like about both of them?
They're very pigmented and I think they last long.
They last long, right? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Hi. Hello there. Hi. Hi. What's your name?
Isha.
Kisha. Hi, Kisha. What are you wearing right now? So you should. So what?
अभी ये पहले ये कर लेते हैं पहले ये कर लेते हैं पहले ये कर लेते हैं
चलो चलो
Just keep little bit more distance, please. Just give us some.
हो गया
What attracted you to be the brand ambassador of 25?
पहली बात तो हीना बहुत ही पहली बात तो हीना जिनके साथ मैं खड़ी हूँ बहुत ही खूबसूरत और बहुत ही टैलेंटेड लड़की है बट ब्रांड इटसेल्फ क्रूएल्टी फ्री है जो मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है काफ़ी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग और पिगमेंटेड है इवन द पैकेजिंग इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल तो मुझे ये सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी अट्रैक्ट की नाम भी बड़े प्यारे से सो आई थिंक इट्स ऑल ऑफ दैट इट्स अ पैकेज
Okay, so इसके अलावा आप बताइए 7 कलर्स सबके नाम बड़े अनोखे से हैं आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है
पटाखा और मसकली
एंड व्हाई इज दैट सो?
पटाखा बिकॉज बड़ा ही मतलब किसको पसंद नहीं आएगा वो नाम, और मस्तक अली भी बड़ा प्यारा नाम है इसीलिए, बट इवन शेड्स भी बहुत प्यारे हैं.
ओके सो यू नो न्यूड शेड्स पे अगर बात की जाए तो हम इंडियंस की मेंटालिटी है कि हमारे फेस पर न्यूड शेड्स जो है वो सूट नहीं करते. इस पर कितना
नहीं, आई थिंक एक ट्रेंड भी आया था बीच में न्यूड शेड्स का, बट बाय द एंड ऑफ इट आपके ऊपर है. अगर आप में कॉन्फिडेंस है, अगर आपको नहीं पसंद है तो मत अप्लाई कीजिए. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये पर्टिकुलर शेड आपके ऊपर अच्छा लगता है तो बाय द एंड इट्स ऑल कॉन्फिडेंस है एंड कंफर्ट.
Fatima, how much do you believe in no makeup look? Whether you want to be free from makeup, free from lipstick, everything.
I think for the longest period of time I've been very away from makeup, but now I feel like now I enjoy it, and I think it's to each its own, because मैं कौन होती हूँ जज करने के लिए किसी ने.
Talking about yourself.
Yeah, I think for me it's I'm comfortable without makeup and I'm comfortable with makeup.
फातिमा, दिवाली के टाइम हम आपसे मिलने आए थे. अपनी थोड़ी तबीयत खराब है, आपका आई थिंक ऑपरेशन हुआ था किसी चीज़ का, तो अब आपकी हेल्थ पर
कौन सा ऑपरेशन?
जब हम आपसे मिलने आए थे
कहाँ?
प्रोड्यूसर के घर,
सैलिश
नहीं,
तो
प्रोड्यूसर के घर आए थे. आपने बाइक से जैसे तब
Excuse me?
Fatima, the lipstick enhances your beauty, but it really gives you confidence also. What have to say about it?
I think I've started to enjoy color red recently, तो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है खुद को अलग लुक्स में देखना.
ओके फातिमा, एक और सवाल जो जानना चाहती हूँ वो ये है कि हिस्टोरिक टॉपिक्स पर फिल्में जो है वो हमेशा से बनती आई है, लेकिन कई बार ऐसा होता है कि ऐसे टॉपिक्स पर फिल्में बनने पर ऑब्जेक्शन होता है,
Controversy
जैसे
हो
कि
पानीपत.
अभी तानाजी पर हुआ है वेरिन यू नो ऑब्जेक्शन उठाया जा रहा है कुछ सीन्स को लेकर. तो आपका क्या ख्याल है, कहीं ना कहीं फ्रीडम ऑफ मेकिंग फिल्म्स जो है वो दब गया है या फिर कमी हो गई है?
Fatima, what do you want to say about it? मतलब जब भी historic topic आता है कोई ना कोई controversy बन जाता
वो तो हर चीज़ में कंट्रोवर्सी बनती है, किस चीज़ में नहीं बनती है. हिस्टोरिक हो नहीं हो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ होता है.
है. Okay, what about
Honestly.
so what about Bhoot Police and all? Because we are waiting for your next
Oh,
big screen.
thank you.
On-screen performance. So when are we? What's the status of that? Bhoot Police and the ensemble film that you're doing with Basuda.
इसका आंसर दे देती हूँ.
Yeah. 1 second. Yeah, you're saying
हाँ, भूत
something.
पुलिस.
Fatima, you must be drinking tea, coffee, so you know the lipsticks also. Do you have any tips कि lipstick, you know, cup और mug वगैरह पे नहीं लगती?
आई थिंक वो ब्रांड के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. अगर वो वैसा वाला ब्रांड है लिपस्टिक की जो ना स्टिक करे, तो आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू डिसाइड इफ. जैसे मैं हूँ, मैं काफ़ी चैप करती हूँ अपने लिप्स और काफ़ी लिक करती हूँ, सो जनरली निकल जाता है. बट विद दैट प्रोडक्ट आई एम नॉट फेसिंग दैट ट्रबल.
What is your favorite beverage?
कॉफ़ी.
Fatima, so you're saying about Bhoot Police and the ensemble film. What's the status of that?
बहुत समय बाकी है अभी उसमें, तो बट आई एम एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट वन. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
Ladies and gentlemen, you will get all the shades of 2502 on www.2502.in and on Flipkart and Amazon. www.2502.in and on Flipkart and Amazon. Can we have the music slightly lowered down, please? Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a perfect moment for a photo op because all the 7 shades of 2502 right in front of you.
मोबाइल पीछे लो.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. 2502, all 7 shades.
भाई पीछे से प्लीज कोई हिलाओ मत यार. सुरेंद्र भाई Guys, done? Thank you, ma'am. रतन भाई इंग्लिश में भाई 900 का बचा क्या मैं 3 महीने के